Hello and welcome to Provision-ISR's short but accurate. Today we are going to discuss a few subjects regarding to face on the CAM2 app. The first thing we will do is to add a face into a database. Why do we need a database? To differentiate between different groups of people. The managers group is going to be different than the employee group. That said, let's take a look on how to add a face. First thing we will do is to display a camera like we are doing right now. You can display one camera or two cameras, it doesn't matter. As soon as we do that, and the camera of course is a part of an NVR that supports analytics and has database on it, then we press on the bottom right corner of the screen on the three dots and we have the menu. In the menu we can add a new person. So adding a new person will open up the selfie camera. In that point we will see the face that we are capturing. We take a picture, then we can give this face a name. Okay, as soon as we give it a name, we can also choose many other options such as the birth date and gender and birthplace and many more. And more important is the group. The group says allow group, managers and employees. I have created those groups. You can create your own groups, the groups that can define what is the group of people that is inside. So you can just choose the group and add the face. Of course, that in my case, face already exists. I cannot add it because they are already inside. But that brings me into the next part, which is to search for a face that are already on the database. So if a face are already on the database, it means that those face has a name. So we are going to search by name. What is the name that we are searching for? Let's search for David. Already we can see here the face, and we are going to search for it. We press start searching, and we have all of the results from all of the cameras that recognized this face. Okay, so we have a result from one end from front door face, and on the other from the second floor camera, and from showroom face. Many different cameras that capture the same face. Of course, you can see the time and the similarity rate and everything. You want to see the video, just access the event and play back. Of course, we have about 7 seconds of pre-record, and after that seconds are passing, we can see the face being captured. Okay, of course that if you want to increase the resolution a little bit, you can choose mainstream and then you will see the high resolution. Of course, depends on the bandwidth you have. Okay, next thing we will do is to see how to search for a face by image. So searching by image you can do by two methods. You can simply picture yourself, same way that I just did, or you can click on the top right in order to access to your gallery. From the gallery you just pick the picture that you want to search for. I'm going to give you a small example of a picture that I already have here. It's this one right here. Now this is not the best picture because it contains two faces, so of course the application will just pick the face that are more clear. For example, it shows Gal. Okay, Gal is one of our employees, and same thing. Okay, you can play back here and see the video including the face. Of course that if you will do the same thing with a much clearer image, then you will get a better result. Thank you all for joining us for this chapter of Short but Accurate. See you next time.